Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Tony. My name is really Sonia, but my nickname is Tony. Don't ask me how I got that out of Sonia, but later on when we get a little more personal, I'll tell you how that name became about. And here is my husband from work. Hi honey.
Hi baby.
How are you?
Okay.
Good. I love you. Tutorials, product reviews, some drama channels because I enjoy them so much. The ones that are clean and not offensive anyway. Rich Lux is one of my favorite. I wake up every day looking for his video to load. So holler at Rich Lux. Don't mind my husband in the background and my dog under here crying. This is just a test video. More than likely there won't be any editing in this video, but I just wanted to give you just a little synopsis of what my channel is going to be like, what things you guys would like to see that you're not seeing on other channels, big or small. So some of the things that I'll be talking about are like makeup reviews. I'm not going to do a lot of tutorials because I'm in the phase of learning, mainly right here, the eyeshadow. When it comes to priming and prepping the skin, I have that, I think anyway, down to a science. But we're going to talk about skincare, makeup reviews, household items, household goods. I am a huge foodie, and I'm transitioning into much healthier eating. We'll talk about intermittent fasting. I'll share some recipes with you guys and my family. I'm known as the chef of the family. I'd like to acknowledge myself more as the cook than the chef. But at any rate, yes, I am a big health foodie. What else can I talk to you about? A little bit of drama will be talked about on this channel as well, because you know in the makeup industry there's always drama, but I'm definitely going to keep it clean and non-offensive, and definitely throw some humor in there. I know I'm a little serious today, but I am a big clown. You won't see that today, but you will see it in future videos. And just to tell you a little bit about me, I'm a 47-year-old single mom. Well, not single, I am engaged to that wonderful man that you saw behind me. We're hoping to get married soon if all goes well. We've been together. Today is actually our anniversary, and he reminded me, so I'm a little embarrassed because usually the woman is the one that remembers. So yeah, today is our 8-year anniversary, and I'm super excited. We're going on vacation soon, which is so much needed. We haven't been on vacation in 4 years. I think I mentioned already that I am a mother of 2 children. I have a 28-year-old daughter who is a professional dancer and is tapping into the modeling industry. Also, let me know what you would like to see on my channel. Maybe some things that you've been looking for on YouTube that you can't find. I am so excited to enter the YouTube world, and at the same time a little nervous, because as I can see, it takes a lot out of you. Editing videos and just knowing what content to put out there that your viewers are gonna like. Don't mind the sounds of my computer, my PC. I'm restarting it. But anyway, yeah, I am new to YouTube, back and forth. I'm practicing iMovie, and it's not as easy as I thought. I'm sure once I get a hang of it, it'll be easy. But this is going to be an unedited video. I just wanted to introduce myself, introduce my channel. This channel, I've recently grown this like huge passion for makeup. Skincare I've always been into. I'm just, now that I'm gonna be 48, I'm a little more into the skincare regimen, if you will. So yeah, so this is gonna be probably an unedited video until I learn how to use iMovie. I was like bugging out because I looked on my YouTube channel and I'm like, holy cow, I have 9 subscribers and I don't even have a single video up yet. So this channel, just to give you a little synopsis, this channel is going to be about makeup, skincare, household products that I use, that I recommend. It's just going to be a little this, a little that, a little bit of everything. Some of my hobbies besides makeup and skincare, as a hobby, I crochet. I used to have a business for that, but due to some health issues, I had to stop doing that. I mean, I still crochet, I just don't do it as a business. I do more like gifts and things like that. So yeah, those are some of my main passions, and I would love to share those with you. So I hope that you guys subscribe to my channel, hit the little notification bell so that every time I post, you get notified that I have posted. And I just wanted to say hello to you all, and I hope that you all welcome me with open arms into the magical world of YouTube. Talk to you soon. I'll have a lot more goodies on the next video. I'll have some goodies to talk about. Tell me what you'd like to hear that you're not hearing on YouTube, what you'd like to see that you're not hearing from like the bigger beauty gurus or even the smaller channels. Just sound off down below and we'll take it from there. Love you guys. See you soon.